Happy birthday to you, Blizzard, 12 years old. We love you so much. And this is where your life begins, with us and with Cesar and your fame. Very proud of you, little boy. And here you are at the DPC in South Central LA. I will never forget this. Such a beautiful puppy from Rrscue. Incredible. Blizzard in his Hollywood days with his padrino, his godfather, Cesar Milan. How to raise a perfect puppy. Blizzard with his best friend, a sheep, Paco. Between animals, there is no judgment. They enjoy each other every day playing. And here, his twin, Holly, the biter that bit Cesar and I. We will forever love you, my baby boy Blizzard. Blizzard with his pack of friends, Junior and Argos, Lua from Tom Brady, and Maven from the Smith, Jada and Will Smith. Great friends, great memories, everlasting memories. I'm thankful that you had a wonderful life and wonderful memory. And you had so many friends, wonderful friends, best friends, and girlfriend, Lua. Thank you, Blizzard, for helping me so much. And here's Nana and Bailey, Rosie, Taquito, and you, hanging out at the Dog Psychology Center in Santa Clarita. You were a wonderful helper and still are. Saying goodbye to your girlfriend, Luna, as she moves to Boston. She will never forget you. Here you are, with your godfather, Cesar Milan, teaching you and introducing you to swimming. And here's your Hollywood photos. You were a great model. And here as we celebrate with your brother and sister, you're like, please, can you take the candle off of there so I can eat it? Look at that tongue go. We love you. And you still puppy, as always. And it was birthed out this day with your godfather, Cesar Milan. And you were a part of Tom Brady's cheerleading team. Such a beautiful face, and you will never change your puppyhood. We love you. You wanted to eat that cake quick. Here's Blizzard telling us it's time to eat the cake. Thank you for being my right hand at the Dog Psychology Center and helping every animal that came in to trust us. Great moments, everlasting memories. Blizzard, Conquistador, Bailey, Nani, and Bubba. I love you. And there will never be another Blizzard. How not to be Marley. Well, to the left is Bailey. I think it was Lola, Kiko, Nani, and Blizzard to my right, and Apollo, Holly, and Maven, the DPC pack. Thank you for always being by our side and helping me with my mission. Blizzard, Junior, oh no, that was Bootsy and Tootsie and Molly. And we ask everyone to look in your chapter so they can learn more about you. And this is Blizzard Barnes' chapter.